Table widgets in Vorne Excel are extremely flexible, and today we'll show you how to leverage live controls to create a wide range of tables. Let's start by looking at 6 distinctive use cases. You can utilize tables to summarize key metrics by whatever dimensions you choose, in order to quickly and succinctly communicate KPIs to managers. Visualize data with multifaceted, information-dense views, perfect for presenting at action-oriented meetings. Explore data through hierarchical tables that make it easy to drill down through multiple levels for root cause analysis. Sequence events chronologically so you can methodically determine where further action is needed. Rank events to highlight aspects of your production that need attention, as well as those that warrant praise. Export bulk data for further analysis in external applications, such as Microsoft Excel or Power BI. All of these tables and more can easily be created in Vorne Excel using the live controls. Enterprise, time range, filter, and duplicate live controls are common to all widgets and can be learned about in our live control video. We will therefore focus on the live controls which have behavior specific to the table widget, including level, row, column, sort, group, and export. We'll start with the row live control. This control determines the dimensions shown in the rows of the table. In this example, that includes work center, shift, and part. Row options provide you additional choices, such as limiting the number of rows you see, adding a heat map indicator for the row based on your metric of choice, or including a totals row. The Group Live control provides you with 3 ways to organize your rows. Event grouping displays each event with the start time for the dimensions you choose. This is ideal for chronological tables like the part run table shown here. Aggregated grouping creates a table where each row shows data that is summarized by whatever dimensions you choose. This table is an example of a part summary. Hierarchical grouping enables you to drill down from summarized data to individual events, such as in this example, going from part summaries to individual part runs. The Level Live control enables you to quickly expand or collapse to a selected dimension level. It will only be selectable on a table with hierarchical grouping. The Column Live control enables you to visualize your data in 2 distinctly different ways. Metric and dimension columns contain a single line of data per cell. Think of these as traditional tables. Attention list, metric list, and comment columns are often used together as they contain multiple lines of information per cell, creating information-rich presentations that go far beyond conventional tables. Let's look at metric columns. The pick list contains all metrics tracked by Vorne Excel, organized by category. You can select metrics individually or choose to leverage a predefined metric set. Metric sets contain multiple related metrics and add 1 column for each. Hovering over the tooltip reveals which metrics will be displayed. Dimension columns represent values such as shifts, parts, and production states, and can be visualized as text, column chart, or bar chart. This example displays duration by impact, providing you a quick way to visualize how much time was spent running versus in breaks, down, or in changeovers. Attention list columns are extremely powerful because they display your largest losses as bar charts within a single cell. Choose from changeover events, changeover reasons, down events, down reasons, reject reasons, or top losses. Metric list columns stack the selected metrics vertically within a cell. These metrics can be displayed as text only, text with heat map indicators for percentage metrics, or as a bar chart. Comment columns can be configured in two different ways. The first is to display all comments associated with events that start during the time period. This is often chosen as it gives a fuller picture of what happened in the associated time range. In this example, team comments, down event comments, and shift comments are all shown. The second option is to include only comments directly linked to the events represented by the row. In this case, only comments regarding the shift will be shown. The sort live control makes it easy to configure the order of rows using sort rules. Each sort rule consists of the column name and whether it should be sorted as ascending or descending. You can drag and drop to match your desired sort order. You can also sort tables without the live control by clicking on their column headers. Hold down Shift and click to add sort rules to multiple columns. Lastly, the Export Live control exports the table data in a Microsoft Excel file. Let's create an example of a visually rich table that you might use as the centerpiece of a shift review meeting. On your dashboard, press the Layout button to enter layout mode. Click Add Widget and choose Table. Change the widget's title by clicking the default title in bold and typing in your desired text. Next, open the row control. Delete the default dimension, shift, by clicking the X. Then click Add Dimension and choose Hour instead. To see at a glance if your team is meeting expectations for the hour, check the box to begin row with heat map and keep the default value of efficiency. To see a shift summary, check the box to add a totals row to our table. Then click Apply. To show individual shift hours and see their start time, click the Group Live control and select Event. Next, click the Column control and delete the default OEE metric by dragging it to the trash can drop area. Click Add Column and choose Metric List, then click Add Metric. We'll investigate what's available under the Times category. We can use the tooltip to show us the metrics that are included in each metric set. We'll choose Production Time Detail for a good idea of how the time was expended in each hour. Choosing Bar Chart as our visualization will make this even easier to digest. Click Apply, which will bring you back to the main column screen. Next, click Add Column and again choose Metric List. Then click Add Metric and search for and select the OEE Factors metric set. This time, selecting Bar Chart will include heat mapping, since these metrics have associated metric thresholds. Click Apply and then Apply again to see the transformation already taking place in our table. Click Add Column, this time selecting Attention List. From the drop-down list, choose Top Losses. Then change the items per list to 4 in order to match the other columns and make the best use of space. Lastly, click Add Column once more, and this time choose Comment. Select all comments for the associated time period and then click Apply. In just a few minutes, you've taken a table from ordinary to extraordinary. Now that you've learned all about table widgets, be sure to check out our training center to see more of what Vorne Excel has to offer. Simply click Help from any page and select all videos.